Hey guys, eggs are a staple in kitchens worldwide, renowned for their versatility and nutritional value. They can be boiled, poached, fried, or scrambled, making them a popular choice for any meal. From breakfast omelets to gourmet dishes, eggs play an integral role in cooking. Eggs are celebrated for their nutrient-packed profile, benefiting human health. Their affordability and long shelf life make them a dietary essential. Nutritionists recommend eggs as part of a balanced diet. A single large egg is a powerhouse of nutrition, densely packed with proteins, vitamins, and minerals, yet containing only about 77 calories. It includes high-quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids. Eggs are also a rich source of vitamin D, vital for bone health and immune function, and vitamin B12, which supports nerve function and DNA production. Choline in eggs supports brain development and liver function. Eggs contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin for eye health. They also provide omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart and brain health. This makes eggs a valuable component of any diet. Eggs are highly regarded in fitness circles for their protein content, essential for muscle repair and growth. The body uses the protein found in eggs to replace the proteins broken down during exercise, making them an ideal post-workout snack. This is particularly beneficial for athletes or anyone involved in regular physical activity. The quality of the protein in eggs is so high that it is often used as the standard by which other proteins are measured. The presence of vitamin B2 or riboflavin in eggs also helps in the conversion of food into fuel, which is used to produce energy, further enhancing their role in a muscle-building diet. Additionally, eggs are a good source of vitamin D, necessary for maintaining proper bone health. Strong bones support muscular attachment, which is crucial for athletes and the general population alike in preventing injuries during physical activities. Section 4. Brain and eye health enhancements. Consuming 2 eggs a day can significantly impact your brain and eye health, thanks to the presence of choline and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Choline is essential for brain development and helps maintain the structure of brain cell membranes. It is particularly important during pregnancy and early childhood when brain development is rapid. Lutein and zeaxanthin, on the other hand, are found in high concentrations in the retina of the eye. Studies have shown that diets rich in these antioxidants can reduce the risk of chronic eye diseases, including age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Moreover, the omega-3 fatty acids in eggs can enhance cognitive function and may help in preventing cognitive decline with age. This makes eggs an excellent food choice for aging populations looking to maintain mental acuity and vision clarity. Section 5. Potential health risks, cholesterol concerns. While eggs are nutritious, they also contain a significant amount of cholesterol, about 186 milligrams in the large one, which is more than half of the recommended daily intake. This has raised concerns about the potential for eggs to contribute to elevated cholesterol levels, which is a risk factor for heart disease. However, more recent research suggests that for most people, the cholesterol in eggs doesn't significantly affect the levels of cholesterol in the blood. Instead, saturated and trans fats have a much greater impact on blood cholesterol levels. It's important to consider the whole diet rather than focusing on a single food item. Despite this, individuals with diabetes or genetic conditions that increase sensitivity to dietary cholesterol should consult with a healthcare provider about how many eggs are safe to consume. Section 6. Balanced advice on egg consumption. Given the nutritional benefits and potential concerns, a balanced approach is recommended for egg consumption. For most people, consuming 2 eggs daily can be part of a healthy diet if combined with other nutrient-rich foods. It is always beneficial to include a variety of foods to meet dietary needs without excessive intake of any one nutrient. For those concerned about cholesterol, combining eggs with foods high in unsaturated fats like avocados or nuts can help balance the diet. Also, paying attention to how the eggs are prepared is crucial. For instance, boiling or poaching is healthier than frying. Incorporating eggs into a balanced diet can contribute to overall health and well-being, supporting everything from muscle strength and brain function to maintaining good vision. Section 7. Conclusion. Integrating eggs into a healthy diet. Eggs are a versatile and nutrient-dense food that can play a valuable role in a balanced diet. Their benefits in muscle building, brain function, and eye health make them an excellent choice for individuals across all stages of life. While concerns about cholesterol exist, they can generally be managed with a balanced dietary approach. For those looking to maximize the health benefits of eggs, it's important to consider overall dietary patterns and lifestyle choices. Maintaining a variety of foods, managing portion sizes, and choosing healthy cooking methods can all contribute to the health advantages of including eggs in your diet. As always, for specific health concerns or dietary adjustments, consulting with a healthcare professional is recommended to ensure that your diet supports your individual health needs. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more.